Hello there, future homeowner. Have you ever dreamt of escaping the hustle and bustle of city life, immersing yourself in the tranquility of nature, and owning a charming countryside retreat? Well, today, I have something extraordinary to share with you, the Bulgarian Property for Sale Dream Home, available at bulgarianpropertyfinder.com. Let me guide you through this enchanting haven. As we delve into this dream property, picture yourself on 900 square meters of fully regulated land, an idyllic canvas awaiting your creativity. Imagine cultivating your own vegetables, gathering fresh eggs from your chickens, and relishing a simpler, more fulfilling lifestyle. Built on a solid stone foundation with thick walls made of handmade double bricks, this rustic cottage stands as a testament to time. Inside, modern amenities blend seamlessly with the charm of yesteryear: satellite television, broadband cable internet, GSM coverage, central water system, and reliable electricity. Notice the structurally sound house, its roof standing proud against the elements. High-grade UPVC double glazing on select windows and doors ensures both insulation and a view into the breathtaking surroundings. But what makes this property truly special is not just the cottage itself, but the mesmerizing village it calls home. Cherny Lom River, a mere 300 meters away, sets the stage for a myriad of outdoor activities: fishing, hunting, bird watching, and horse riding. The village's popularity owes much to its strategic location and the beauty that surrounds it. As you explore the possibilities, consider this: are you ready for a permanent move, cultivating a small farm, or even venturing into the charming world of bed and breakfast? Imagine the sweet profits from a honeybee business thriving in this pure and untouched environment. The choice is yours, and the options are as vast as the scenic landscapes that embrace this property. Marvel at the stunning views and access to beautiful forests, rivers, and meadows. An open invitation for horse riding or leisurely strolls far from city noise and industrial pollution. The land here is not just a property, it's a promise of freedom, with fertile soil perfect for cultivating crops, fruits, and vegetables. Now, let's talk about making this dream yours. The land is 100% freehold, ensuring your ownership is secure and unwavering. Choose to purchase in cash or explore our pay monthly option, offering flexible payment plans tailored to your needs. As you envision your future here, I'm curious, what dreams would you bring to life on this canvas of opportunity? Can you see yourself waking up to the gentle whispers of nature, far away from the city's chaos? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your aspirations. Don't let this chance slip away. Contact us without hesitation to secure your place in this tranquil haven. Leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for future updates. We are bulgarianpropertyfinder.com, and we look forward to welcoming you in our next video. Until then, dream big, dream rural, and find your perfect Bulgarian retreat.